This course comes with a set of tools you can take straight into your own organization. Each is a short, practical document, not a textbook. There is an AI maturity assessment to place your institution honestly against the concerns of the course, a governance framework comparison to make sense of the major rules without drowning in them, a set of board and executive questions, the ones a leader should be able to answer, and a plain glossary so the language never gets in the way. Download them as you reach the modules they belong to and fill them in for your own context. That is where the learning becomes real. Throughout the course, we follow one example, Mithras Bank. It is a fictional institution invented for teaching. Any resemblance to a real bank or company is coincidental. Mithras Bank runs a fleet of agents across its operations. Some screen payments for fraud, some reconcile accounts, some answer customers, some prepare regulatory filings, and several of them act on money. We use it because governance is easiest to understand inside a real decision, not in the abstract. When you see how Mithras Bank draws a boundary, sets a tolerance, names an owner, and watches a system run, you can map the same questions onto your own institution. Read it as a mirror, not a template. This course stands on its own. If you want to go deeper, it draws on 2 books. The Agentic Enterprise covers the strategy, the transformation, and the governance of organizations adopting these systems. Its companion, the Autonomous Enterprise, goes further into running and supervising autonomous systems once they are live. The course gives you the practical discipline and the tools. The books give you the longer argument behind them. You do not need either to follow along. That is the setup. You know what the course will give you, who it is for, the tools you can use, and the example we will follow. So let us begin where governance itself now has to begin, inside the work. In the next module, we look at why governing a system that acts is genuinely different from anything that came before.